8 SCAR VXFs on 4 Unrio 3600s.
Okay.
I'm running a 120 big cell XMAX and a single 370 amp JS alternator.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Hell of a drive.
How long was your drive?
Not bad, hour and a half.
That's not too bad. Nice. This is like a wind tunnel fourth order. Or, I don't know, that's pretty cool. I like this. So what's in here in your name, man?
My name's Jesse Higdon. This is 8 SCAR VXFs on 4 Unrio 3600s.
Okay.
I'm running a 120 big cell CMAX and a single 370 amp JS alternator.
Okay. Nice. Did you build the box?
Well, my bass team helped me build the box. We got it done in 2 weeks.
Okay. Wow.
Everything's fiberglass from the roof down to the floor.
That looks good. Dang, you're already breaking your windshield.
Yeah, I'm breaking a lot more than the windshield.
Everything, yeah.
But yeah.
What is the amp wired to?
0.5 each.
Okay.
So it's 1 amp per 2 subs, wired at 0.5. About 2 weeks ago, I cracked one of the baskets and I had to get a replacement for that.
Okay. Man.
Other than that, though, been doing pretty good.
Okay.
A peak of 40, and then I think I have a peak of around 28.
28. Okay. Nice.
But I mean, it does 56s from 28 all the way up to
Wow.
50, 60.
That's awesome, man. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Go look at the back real quick. I'd love to hear it. The radio changeover.
Put something on.
Man, dude, you're really tearing up things. This thing's loud. Did a really good job.
One of the subs isn't liking life right now.
No? Oh,
I think another one's gonna crack.
Uh-oh. A lot of power. Have you did the SPL test on it?
Yeah, we did a, I can't remember off the top of my head, but it was a 156 plus on the windshield.
Wow, that's good. Can I get one more?
Yeah.
Dude, I appreciate that. That's crazy. That was a really good song. What frequency are you like peaking at? That's pretty. That's painful,
well,
man. Wow.
I have a peak of 40, and then I think I have a peak of around 28.
28. Okay. Damn, nice.
But I mean, it does 56s from 28 all the way up to
Wow.
50,
That's
60.
that's awesome, man. Thank you. The radio changeover.
Put something on. A little bit better.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.